Have you ever wondered how some people manage to live without depending on a traditional job, having the freedom to travel, spend time with family, or simply choose what to do every day? The truth is, they didn't win the lottery. They built multiple sources of passive income. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage assets like real estate, digital content royalties, and dividends to create a more flexible and independent life. How many times have you felt stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill you but didn't? Know how to change that reality. If you want to learn how to break free from the traditional model and build your own financial independence, stay until the end. I'll share real-life examples and a practical step-by-step guide to help you get started today. Many people are trapped in jobs they don't enjoy because they don't know how to create alternatives outside the traditional model. Imagine waking up every day to a job that drains you without seeing a clear way out. It seems impossible, right? But it's not. How many times have you dreamed of having more control over your time and money, but thought it was something distant or unattainable? The problem is that many people don't know the right strategies to build passive income, and that stops them from taking the first step toward financial freedom. To better understand, we need to talk about the concept of passive income. Passive income is money you earn without having to exchange your time directly for it. While active income requires your constant presence, passive income works for you while you live your life. The benefits are huge. Geographic freedom to work from anywhere in the world, time flexibility to choose how to use your hours, and financial stability by diversifying your income streams. For example, imagine someone who receives rent from an apartment while traveling the world, or another person who created an online course 2 years ago and now earns monthly royalties without being present. These are just a few examples of the power of passive income. Now, let's explore practical strategies to build multiple sources of passive income. One of the most popular options is investing in real estate. You can buy a property and rent it out, generating recurring income. For instance, Joan bought a small apartment and rents it for $1,000 a month, covering the mortgage and still making a profit. Another strategy is creating digital content. Maria developed an online course about professional skills and now earns $2,000 a month in royalties without needing to be present. Dividends from stocks are also an excellent option. Carlos invested $50,000 in solid companies and now receives $500 a month in dividends. Additionally, platforms like Airbnb, digital product licensing, and automating online businesses offer other accessible opportunities. So, how can you get started today? First, assess your current resources. How much capital or skills can you use to begin? Next, choose an initial strategy that aligns with your interests and available resources. Set up systems that work without your constant involvement, such as automating an online business or setting up rentals. Finally, reinvest your initial profits to diversify your income streams. With these simple steps, you'll be on the right path to building your financial freedom. To inspire you even more, I want to share real-life stories of people who achieved financial independence. One example is Anna, who started by renting out a room in her house on Airbnb and now manages several properties. Another is Pedro, who created a YouTube channel about personal finance and now lives exclusively off ads and sponsorships. And there's Laura, who consistently invested in dividends and now has geographic freedom to work from anywhere in the world. These stories show that, with planning and consistency, it's possible to achieve your goals. Unfortunately, there are still many myths and doubts that prevent people from starting to build passive income. One common myth is that passive income is easy and doesn't require effort. In reality, it does require initial work, but the result is a scalable system that operates without your constant presence. Another myth is that you need a lot of money to start. Today, there are accessible options, such as creating digital content or fractional investments. Lastly, some people are afraid of failing. Remember, failure is part of the process, and the key is to learn and adjust your strategy. Additionally, financial education plays a crucial role in investor success. Continuously learning about personal finance can transform your perspective and improve your decisions. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, investment podcasts, and free online courses can expand your knowledge. Small lessons, such as understanding basic concepts like discounted cash flow or margin of safety, can lead to significant changes in your financial behavior. Remember that more you know, the less fear you'll have. Another important point is learning to control your emotions when investing. The financial market is volatile, and economic crises can cause panic. However, impulsive decisions during uncertain times can jeopardize your long-term goals. An effective technique is to maintain a clear plan and review it regularly. For example, Maria, a fictional investor, faced a global economic crisis but stayed focused on the long term and resisted the urge to sell her assets. Today, she reaps the benefits of that discipline. Remember, the market will always fluctuate, but emotional control is your greatest ally. Looking ahead, it's important to stay informed about emerging trends in the investment world. Cryptocurrencies, fintech, and ESG, environmental, social, and governance investments, are rapidly gaining traction. These options can complement traditional strategies, but it's essential to remember that the basics never go out of style. Focus on building a solid foundation with real estate, dividends, and other low-cost investments before exploring riskier alternatives. Keeping up with innovations is important, but never lose sight of your primary goals. In summary, the secret to building multiple sources of passive income is consistency, planning, and diversification. Starting now, even with small amounts, puts you ahead of most people your age. Remember, the future begins with the choices you make today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If this video helped you understand how to build multiple sources of passive income, leave a like and share it with others who also want to change their lives. Subscribe to the channel for more content on financial independence and practical strategies to transform your life. Remember, the future starts today. Invest in your freedom and build the life you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.